Our gathering here today to inaugurate the production line for the F-35 fighter jet wings is a wonderful display of strength. Strength of the special connection between the United States and Israel and between the defense establishments of both nations, and the strength of the State of Israel, its people and capabilities. Here at Israel Aerospace Industries, as at Israel's other defense industries, we witness excellence, quality, and creativity time and again.
IAI and the State of Israel continue to solidify their role as a global leader in the defense industry worldwide and as a key defense partner of the United States. The commitment of our countries to partner on the F-35 program, which will form the backbone of the U.S. and Israeli Air Forces for the next generation, will have a significant and lasting impact.
The F-35 will be a strategic asset to both our nations for many, many decades to come. So this is an important step in that celebration as we look to continue this program for decades to come.